Hey guys, this is my bike check. I'm going to start with the front end. I'm running the Profile Mini front hub. I love this hub. Here's why it's white and green, because my friend painted it that I bought it off of. I have that laced to a Cinema front rim. I don't want it in there, but Verde forks, Verde frame, Verde method frame, 2008. Fly stem, Fly Mike Day bars, UDI long neck grips, proper bar ends. Odyssey twisted PC pedals, DK social cranks, Fit sprocket, Kink seat posts, Animal Stitch pivotal seat, United bottom bracket, Duo Stunner back tire, Premium Refuse Resist folding 2.25 tire. Got that crappy old Haro conversion back wheel. I'm about to get a new one here soon, but it's lasted me for about a year. Yeah, about a year, as long as I've been riding. And the KMC Cool Chain. Thank guys. It's my first ever video, so please like it. Alright, bye.